Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Boult Audio Airbass Livebuds True Wireless Earphones. And as you can see on the box actually, it says that it has extra bass. So these are for the people that like a little bit of thump in their music. At the back you can see we have a 24-hour playtime. This is a total of both earbuds as well as the charging case. You have 3 days of standby, which is pretty good. You have HD sound with aptX, which is really good. We usually don't see aptX codec support at affordable price points. You also have noise cancellation. What we think they mean by this is noise reduction in calls, in your phone calls, and not active noise cancellation. You also have call and music controls. You have Bluetooth 5.0 and auto pair. And both the earbuds on these earphones are masters, so you can use either independent of each other. And they also have stereo calling and a mic. So now let's look and see what we have in here. So the first thing you see is this little pocket of sort, and in here we have the warranty card as well as a user manual. We also have a little box which says accessories on it. Let's open it up. So right here we have a few extra silicone tips. It looks like we have 3 extra silicone tips in here, which is pretty useful. So if you don't think that the fit of the silicone tips which are already on the earphones matches you well, then you can always try around with these extra tips and select the best fit for you. You also have a tiny little USB-A to micro USB charging cable. So it's unfortunate that they have included a micro USB charger here, but we'll make do. Let's set this aside. And now let's finally extract the charging case from the box. So that's about it for the box. There are no other contents. Let's set all of them aside and look at the charging case itself. Now this is a very tiny pill-shaped charging case. It's one of the smaller true wireless charging cases we've seen. Right here we have the Boult Audio logo or branding, and then you have this interesting texture which looks really nice. At the back you have this little dipple which makes it stand still and firm. Additionally, you also have a micro USB charging port at the back here. So now let's open these up. There you go. It looks like a pretty compact charging case, and the first thing you see are these LED indicator lights which are shaped like droplets, and they will actually relay the amount of battery life that is present in the case right now. So as you can see, we have about 75% or so. You also see the earbuds right away. Let's take them out. And the inside of the case has this matte finish, but it is entirely made out of plastic. The outside is also made out of plastic, but it has a more rubbery texture, which is nice and grippy as well. Overall, the case is very pocketable. You can easily grip it, and it should fit in most pockets, no problem. Now let's look at the earphones themselves. As you can see, they have no ear tips, but they have this very angular design which helps them sit in the ears and fit in nicely in a very secure way. You have the right and the left indicators here, as well as the golden magnetic points which actually connect to the charging case and provide your earphones with charge. At the back here, you have the Boult Audio logo on both earbuds. And you also have this textured surface with the call icon on it. There's an LED light on the left earbud which glows blue and red when it is in pairing mode, which is what it is in right now. So that's about it for the unboxing of the Boult Audio Airbass Livebuds True Wireless Earphones. Thank you so much for watching this video.